Skeletal muscle is the largest tissue in the body, accounting for approximately 40% of human body mass. Now, if you take a look at the cross-section of a muscle, you'll see three layers of connective tissue. The epimysium, which surrounds the entire muscle to separate the muscle from surrounding tissues or organs. The perimysium, which contains a bundle of muscle fibers called a fascicle. And the endomysium, which surrounds each muscle fiber or muscle cell. Between the endomysium and the muscle fiber membrane, to be more exact, between the basal lamina and the muscle fiber membrane exist satellite cells, which are the resident muscle stem cells critical for muscle regeneration. During development, the activated form of satellite cells, called myoblasts, fuse together to form mature skeletal muscle fibers. Importantly, satellite cells and muscle cells are very closely located to each other, but are different types of cells. Unlike satellite cells, or the majority of cells in the body that contain a single nucleus, the muscle cell, or the muscle fiber, contains hundreds of nuclei as well as hundreds to thousands of myofibrils. These myofibrils consist of thin actin and thick myosin protein filaments organized in repeating units called sarcomeres. These sarcomeres are the smallest functional units, and each myofibril consists of a linear series of thousands of sarcomeres. So when we talk about muscle growth or muscle hypertrophy, there can be two major types, which are parallel and serial hypertrophy. Parallel hypertrophy literally means that the muscle cell grows by adding myofibrils in a parallel manner. This is the most generally recognized form of muscle growth. On the other hand, serial hypertrophy means adding sarcomeres in series, which can result in a slight increase in muscle length, possibly making the muscles look fuller in the insertion area. This occurs when the muscle is forced to stretch, such as during eccentric exercise and loaded stretching.